Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by enabling developer options and backing up data so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, open Settings and tap About Phone, then tap Build number 7 times to reveal developer options. Next, go to Settings Apps and scan for apps with drawover or notification permissions. These are common ad sources. You're doing this first because removing permissions prevents ad apps from showing pop-ups while you uninstall them, making the next step safer and faster. Now you'll find and remove the apps that deliver ads. Open Google Play, inspect apps with recent negative reviews about ads and old update dates. That helps identify malware disguised as utilities. Then go to Settings Apps and force stop, disable, or uninstall anything suspicious. Once removed, clear browser cache and site data in Chrome or your default browser and remove unknown extensions. This prevents persistent web ads. Make sure to reboot so system cleaners and permission changes take full effect. To finish, harden your phone, enable Play Protect, run a full scan, and update Android and all apps to close security holes. Then set a private DNS to a reputable ad blocking provider or install a trusted ad blocker app from Play Store to stop an app and web ads. If ads keep appearing, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is responsible. If that narrows it down, uninstall the culprit. As a final troubleshooting step, reset network settings or perform a factory reset only after backing up your data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.